Hey, what's up, guys? It's Solo from JRG Productions, and today we have a brand new Road to Superstar episode 4 for you guys on my park on 2K17. And I'm playing with Gilly today against these
What's
scrubs. So they should be an easy W. According to
Hopefully.
their rep. Yeah, we have a couple of things that we want to talk about in this video. And think about our schedule and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna be uploading every other day for the next week. And
We've been really busy lately.
yeah.
Then I've been really busy lately. Mostly. Oh, well, you have basketball and shit.
Yeah. By the time you're seeing this video, there's double rep weekend on 2K17, and probably already over by now.
Shoot.
But the Mountain Dew tournament and the Road to the Finals qualifier is also probably over by now when you're seeing this video. But right now, it hasn't happened yet. And also, Nate Exy is about to hit Legend, first Legend on Xbox One. So, I don't know, congrats to him. But
Yeah.
I think he's at like 99.65% right now. So he's gonna hit it in like an hour. He gets like 0.03% per win.
Damn. That's a brick. Full white bar. This guy shoot.
Yeah, stretch.
Yep.
But
Dude, I have something in my eye and I can't see.
so Sunday we're gonna be live streaming. I'll put the link to the live stream in the description of this video. But Sunday's gonna be double rep. We're gonna be live streaming it, and yeah, I hope you guys tune in. I guess I should have gone in.
Oh yeah. I gotta turn over for that, really. Alright. How did he fucking steal that? What the fuck was that bullshit? Oh, okay.
My handles were awful right there, and I meant to like a
Dude, I literally have something in my eye. Okay.
nice shot.
Nice board. What? How did I steal that? Isaiah Thomas. This guy's jersey's nice. You guys are clearly from Boston or Boston fans. Switch. Dude, what is this guy doing?
Oh my god.
Oh, nice fucking rebound, bud.
It hit me in the head. I don't know why.
Yeah, I know.
Ah,
Good hustle.
yeah, we're probably going. I don't know. I think it's gonna end Monday at 3 a.m. Eastern double rep. But if it's all day Monday, like we might hit Superstar, or we might get close. Well, I might get close. You probably won't.
I probably won't, yeah.
Cause I'm All-Star 4 at 20. I don't know, 26%.
I'm All-Star 3 at like 60. So.
That defense.
Oh, I know, I saw it. I witnessed. What are you reaching for? You're fucking trash. You can't stand that far back. Shit. It's a bad shot still, but it went in, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. If you guys were wondering, like, we're trying to get better competition to play, and like we were playing them, but like the whole game was lagging, and we were like the recording was just messing up and stuff. So this is the best we could do, I guess. But
Why the fuck is this guy reaching so much? It pisses me off. And we're not really trying, like, kinda.
yeah, like this is an easy win. An easy win.
I haven't been serious at all yet this game.
I don't know. Was there anything else that we wanted to like? We also hit 10 subs.
fuck. I was itching my back.
Weird. Oh, nice pass.
It's close.
You practice passing.
Okay.
Alright, I'm broken.
Yeah, I save you a lot. Yo, will you fuck off? Go ahead, buddy. See your post
Body.
moves.
Bodied.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
I like his outfit and his hair, like all matches.
That's
Nice.
just looks so gay. I like who's on his jersey.
Isaiah?
I don't like.
I don't know.
Yeah. Jeez, nice shot.
Is that like too contested? I don't know. That was like a perfect.
No, you used like all your stamina. Can't take that shot. We just don't need that. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think I mentioned it at the beginning of the video, but I'm playing on my point forward and Gilly's playing on his stretch big.
Yeah.
I think I might start using my sharp. I don't know.
That's definitely not going in.
Oh, I was about the poster.
You're not like that.
I'm like that.
That's hilarious. Trash ass fucking
I'm gonna take his
Bum.
ankles next possession. You watch.
next possession.
Possession.
Shoot it. Please. Oh god, I was about to swat him.
Whatever. They can have that. Wait, what are the stats? Okay. Shooting 500. Give me. No.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna show my rep bar. But yeah.
I don't know what, I'll probably be like 62%.
There might be a video Sunday night. There definitely will be one Monday night. And yeah, see the rep bar about to come up. At an AT maker that game. So yeah, I'm 25.9%.
At 62.6.
Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, or if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, this is Dolo from Jared G Productions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.